Hi guys, welcome to EaseUs channel. Are you looking for iOS 18 RC release date and download? As iOS 18 Beta 8 was rolled out on August 29th, many people are wondering when to expect iOS 18 RC release. Now, let's take a view at the iOS 18 release schedule. RC, namely the release candidate, is normally the final beta before an update is made available to the public. While Apple is yet to confirm when the so-called RC update will be released, it's expected to happen on Monday, September 9th, the same day Apple is set to host the Apple Event 2024. 1 week after the RC release, the official release of iOS 18 is anticipated to occur around September 16th, aligning with Apple's typical release schedule. With the iOS 18 RC and official release approaching, it's exciting to embrace all the new features, such as home screen customization, a new password app, math notes, control center customization. But before experiencing all these new features, we need to know how to prepare the iPhone for the iOS 18 update. Here are 5 tips. Tip 1. Back up your iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your name, select iCloud, then iCloud Backup, and click Backup Now. However, what should you do if you get a notification that says, your iCloud storage is almost full? Well, you can upgrade your iCloud plan by paying more money. Or, you can use EaseUs Mobi Mover to back up all your iPhone data to your computer. EaseUs Mobi Mover is so easy to use, and it supports multiple data types, such as photos, music, messages, contacts, etc. Tip 2. Charge your iPhone. Ensure your iPhone is fully charged, or you can connect it to a power source. This prevents your device from shutting down during the update process, which could lead to complications. Tip 3. Check iPhone storage. Go to Settings and tap General. Locate iPhone storage and tap on it. Then, you will be able to check available iPhone storage. You can enable the Offload and Used Apps option or delete any unnecessary apps or files. Tip 4. Enable Wi-Fi on your iPhone. A stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial for downloading the update. Go to Settings, Wi-Fi to turn the Wi-Fi on. Connect your iOS device to a fast network. Then, tap the icon next to the connected Wi-Fi. Ensure low data mode is off. Tip 5. Turn off beta updates. If you don't want to download iOS 18 RC when it is once released, you can go to Settings, tap General, and choose Software Update. Then, you will see the Beta Updates option. Tap on it and tap off. Thus, you won't see the iOS 18 RC version. When the iOS 18 is officially available to the public, you can choose to update your iPhone to the official version. That's all about 18 RC information. If you like this video, please like and subscribe.